Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this edition, we are going to talk about a very important and often used word in Austrian German. This strange word is called OIDA. Especially young Austrians use this word frequently and in many different situations. In this Austrian German tutorial, we try to structure this confusing topic, and at the end of the video, we'd like to warn you about the wrong usage of the word OIDA. So let's get started, OIDA. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to become familiar with the trendy word OIDA in Austrian German. We're going to take a look at various situations in which we can use OIDA in our everyday language in Austria. But first things first. OIDA might be translated as old man, but it almost never means old man or old one when people say the word OIDA. In general, many young Austrians like using OIDA. The term has its origin in Vienna, and in the past it was mainly used there. However, in the last decades, OIDA is getting more and more popular all around the country. For example, you can use OIDA when you're surprised. In English you might say such a surprise man. In Austrian German you can say so Überraschung OIDA. Second, you can say OIDA when you are confused. What's that? Could sound like was ist das OIDA? Third, when Austrians have won a match, they may scream, "Wir haben gewonnen, OIDA." Another situation in which OIDA is common is when Austrians are excited. "Dies wird cool, OIDA." The term OIDA might also have negative connotations. For instance, somebody hurts himself. "Au, OIDA." If someone is angry about a situation, you might hear, "Dies ist deppert, OIDA." If someone disagrees with a friend, it may sound like this, "Bist narrisch, OIDA." Some Austrians use OIDA when they want to say no. "Na, OIDA." Sometimes you will come across OIDA if somebody agrees with someone. "Passt, OIDA." Although the word OIDA is so frequently used in Austria, you should be careful whenever you use the word OIDA in a very formal situation or very formal situations. For instance, during business meetings, and especially when talking to a policeman, it might be inappropriate or even lead to sanctions. But in general, you can use OIDA in almost any informal situation. For example, with fellow colleagues or friends. If you want to know more about the intonation of using OIDA, I highly recommend the viral video of Eva Placzynska. I hope this Austrian German tutorial helped you a little bit to improve your understanding of the so frequently used Austrian word OIDA. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you liked it. So, see you in the next Austrian German tutorial.